How to summarize a YouTube video with ChatGPT. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, open your YouTube application. Find the video that you want to summarize. After selecting the video that you want to summarize, simply tap on its three dot, tap on share, and then tap on copy link. Now go to your preferred browser and then search for ChatGPT. Open it ChatGPT and then tap on Try ChatGPT. After that, what you will have to do is write this command. Right? I will give you a YouTube link. Can you summarize that for me? And as it says, if we provide the YouTube link, it will summarize it for us. So simply send the link. And now, after sending some of the details, it will be able to share key points in the YouTube. So it was a serial, so it could not summarize it well, but if it is an educational video with some subtitles, it will definitely be able to summarize it. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.